Hey, what's up, guys? So Auxitos, they sent me out these LEDs to try out. My daytime running light, which is this one, and high beam, one of it is going out, so I'm gonna replace that. Then my fog light, same thing. One side is out, so I'm replacing that too. So I got two 65K color white, or cool white, I guess. That's the color I chose. So I mean, my current one I'm running is 3K, so it's all yellow all around for the daytime and fog light. But I want to go with a crisper, cleaner look, so I went with white. So this is just an unboxing right now. So this is the high beam. So it comes with some gloves because you don't want to get the bulb dirty with your oil on the hand, so it won't wear it out faster. Focus, zip ties to clean up, extra O-rings, the manual instruction, QR code. Alright, so these are the high beam daytime running light. So the build quality is amazing. So this is the daytime running light, that's the fan. Then this is I think the ballast or the resistor for the LED. But yeah, that's the whole thing right there. That's the daytime running light in high beam. And do the unboxing of the fog light next. The fog lights. These are the fog lights. Pretty nice, well built too. Love the box design. So these are the 6500K too. So being cool white, that's the heat shrink or fan. And this one is just a plug and play. It doesn't have the resistor, so you just plug it in directly into the fog light. So right there, just a little quick unboxing. So these are the daytime running light 9005, then the H11, H8 fog light. So throw these bad boys on, and we're gonna do a test. Also forgot to mention, down below in the description is gonna be a affiliated link to use my coupon code to, if you wanna cop some. Just go ahead and use the link and use my coupon code and get some LEDs. But this all the daytime running lights and the fog lights on the car. Just finished my oil change. Gonna so since it's gonna be more easier since it's up in the air already, so I'm just gonna swap out the daytime running light and the fog light too. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now, then I'm gonna swap it out. Alright, so that's how it looks like right now with everything on. So that's the daytime running light, the yellow, and the fog light is yellow too. They all work too, nothing's wrong with it, just that it is the other side is going out. So this one, that side doesn't work, and this one it flickers every now and then. Like, hopefully catch it right now if it flickers. But I mean, I like the yellow, but I'm going with the cool white, so I'm going for a cleaner look. And I'm pretty sure I'm going for the cleaner look, and the white's gonna make it look better or easier to see in the dark. So I'm gonna do a fog light first, since it's easy. It's right down the bottom. You just gotta take out some. Turn the brightness again. For the bottom, For the fog light, just gotta take out those plastic clips. I'm already missing some, and some of them are already broken, so it's gonna be super easy for me. Right here too. Get the focus. Yeah, so gotta take out the plastic clip. Same side on this one. Right there, and this one too. And you access the fog light right there. So right now I'm gonna do the fog lights. Take that out. Swap it out. Recommend the trim remover tool. Comes in handy. There's some extra bumper clips in case yours break. Get the bulb out. Just gotta unclip it. Old one, new one. So installing this one, this is the old one. And before you put everything back together, just test it out and make sure everything works. Yeah, everything's working. Just put it back together. I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, so I got the fog lights installed. Super bright compared to my yellow ones. So just gotta do the daytime running light. It'll be good. Alright, I just lowered the car, put everything back down. Fog lights on, it's running right now. Next I'm gonna do the daytime running light. So just gotta set it up, throw it on. Alright, so I pretty much got everything installed. Daytime running lights on, fog lights on. Looks good. I mean, I wish the stock LEDs I could swap it out, but it's built in, so I can't do nothing about that. But wait until it get dark, then I'm gonna do a test on it, see how bright they are. But so far, loving the cool white. Looks good. So now this is gonna be the so right there, that's the low beam. Turn that off. It's gonna be the daytime running light or the high beam. So that's that one. This is the fog light. The fog light. And put a daytime running light too also. So both fog light and daytime running lights can be running at the same time. So that's gonna be right there. So outside. And this is with the low beam. Then with the high beam on. That's how bright that high beam is. It's super bright. I'm gonna go in the dark area and do some rollings with the lights on and off, and go from there. gonna step out the car real quick. Turn off the light. This is with the low beam. Turn on the fog lights. This is with the fog lights. Turn on the high beam. That's with everything. Super bright.